So you had
I
one
was
thing
trying to think of things that somebody would buy. I mean, I know I'm not
Do y'all have her
asking
ID?
for pity or any of
I
that.
got a
Do y'all have her ID?
Yeah, she didn't have her, but I got a picture of her.
I just asked because I didn't run, you know what I'm saying? Like I didn't try to fight or any of that. And
You got somebody on the way for her?
my boyfriend's supposed to be, but I'm gonna be honest, he's got no rights to her. Like, and
Alright, we'll have to make other arrangements.
is there
41 dispatch, Georgia 27.
Is there no way, because I gave it all back and everything, like, can I go to court or something?
You feel free to go to court.
No,
I'm saying we'll
no,
still
I
end
mean,
up going to
no,
court,
no,
but
no.
I understand.
I'm just trying to find a
Here
way
you go,
that I
sir.
can make it right and be able to go with my daughter tonight.
Go ahead.
Is that a possibility?
We prosecute whatever. I mean, what we do is we prosecute whatever Banks County decides to do from that point on. It's up to them, but I mean.
Prosecute means I have to go to jail, doesn't it, sir?
You what, man?
Prosecute means I have to go to jail. Even, please, sir.
Derek here from the Cold Wind out of Danielsville, Class C valid, no wants.
10-4. You say you've already contacted him to come pick her up?
Yes.
Okay. As a parent, you can release your young'un to him if you want to go that route. If not, I've got one other option.
I mean,
And I think I know you know what
yeah,
that
like,
option
she can
is.
go to him, I just didn't know if that would be allowed.
Yeah,
I
that's
didn't know.
fine.
I would definitely rather her go with him than where.
You've
The
already
other
called him?
option.
Okay.
Is this one of those things where you automatically get a bond, or do I have to see a
No,
judge or something?
you'll be issued a bond, ma'am.
Switched out.
Switched out.
Do I need to switch it up somewhere?
She's off, but I think
Where am I gonna
I got
go?
a minute.
Banks County.
I'm going. I gotta go to jail. At Walmart, I'm going to listen to me. They're gonna take me to Banks County Jail. I need to call it. I know.
What else stuff?
I got it out there.
Okay.
I got a picture of it. I was gonna print it off, but photo actually.
Yes, I'm waiting.
That's the one from earlier, isn't it? Okay.
Yeah.
Trying to get some money in the budget.
Blade air freshener, printer ink.
The ink and the can
It's like
for film and stuff. I know, Mama.
I'll print off one, whatever. We'll get another one like I said, whatever on that one.
Okay. I just gotta make sure I know what I'm looking at. So the most expensive thing with that would be the printer ink.
Yeah, what's that other thing? What is that? Hiding?
Camera.
Yeah, the printer ink, but whatever, what is that thing? Is that like a camera? Yeah, digital camera.
Okay. And that was also a Canon, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dispatch. Yeah, 699 on the road, residence check. 2214.
I'll let the neighbors, I don't know for years. I don't know what it is. I thought you did. I mean, I like the music, I don't like their drink.
Okay, so is your mama on the way or is your boyfriend?
Apparently both of them are on the way.
Okay. Did you conceal anything on your person? Okay. You will be checked at the jail. Before they get here, I am going to go through your purse. Dispatch 1067. Do you want to explain to me what this is so I don't have to field test or possibly get hurt?
Clear 841, 1067,
It's not in
2215.
that bag, but
This is not, ma'am.
what it,
I'd rather your daughter not see it.
I mean, I don't understand.
I'm looking at a needle and some other things. Do you want to?
I'm sorry, what? Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
It's what?
I'm looking at a hypodermic needle and some other paraphernalia.
No. I'm telling you, that's not mine.
Well,
Like,
you just told me it's your
It's
makeup
my makeup bag, it
so
is, but I know.
okay. I don't see anything with
Oh
any
my God.
price tags. $42.
Oh my God.
When you go 10-8, will you head this way?
Back in service out of Walmart.
Would it help if I know whose it is? No.
What's your daughter's name, dear?
Is there a way for me to prove that's not mine?
That will be up when it goes to court, ma'am.
Like, I
It's
know
not.
everybody believes
It's
me right
not.
now, but
It.
that's not me.
The law states possession, not ownership, and currently you're in possession of it. Do you have a driver's license with you? How'd y'all get the picture?
No, it's in my phone.
She had the picture on her phone.
Okay. Is your mama coming from Danielsville, or where's she coming from?
She was coming from Alice. She said she was about to be here.
Okay. Are y'all gonna do a trespass warning? If y'all already.
We can.
Okay, so what this is since we're coffee shop with you today, we gotta trespass you, so you won't be allowed back here, and this, not just here,
Is this a statement from today?
Sam's Club, Murphy's USA,
That's your company.
and it's
Okay.
anywhere nationwide. You can't be in the parking lot. So, you understand, just sign this.
1041 dispatch. What's the case number from this, please?
I need you to hurry up. I need you to hurry up. I can't get Chris on the phone.
41, your case number 03730033730. Also be advised, it's about to advise you of a possible residential fire in the area of 652 Rush Ramsey Road, 652 Rush Ramsey Road. It's going to be near Oxford Rucker Road.
The mom.
Just come.
Yeah.
Come inside.
10-4, just let us know if county fire needs us, please.
Before the buttons and stuff.
Over by the red box.
Over by the red box.
Your case number.
Remember when the movies in high school?
Yes, sir. Show me no need out here. I'm good.
Just to come in the grocery doors and come to the right.
Yes, on the subway, it just come in the door and come to the right, but don't like, okay.
Copy, no need to check 12-2-20.
Okay. Ma'am, I'm gonna be straight with you if you be straight with me. I'm gonna go and take this, what I've got here and this, and go place it in my car, which is right there. I'm not going to take you into custody until she's away, because I do not like that to happen in front of a child. If you act out at that, just listen, if you act out at that point, I'm gonna have to do what I have to do regardless as the situation. But like I said, if you're straight with me, I will be straight with you, okay? All right, I will be back momentarily. What's your...
Question,
Yes, ma'am.
if I'm good and everything, like, can I hit a cigarette before you put me in the car so I might calm down just a little bit? I know that sounds stupid, but.
No, it don't. And I have absolutely no problem with it. Like I said, if you're straight with me, I'll be straight with you. So they got that smoking area right out there. I'll let you hit one before we go.
Who is that? She ain't caught on here yet? What's that, electronic?
Are your cigarettes in the car or where they at?
Oh, crap.
Does your mom smoke?
Yeah, she does.
If she's got one on her, we can do that.
Hey,
Or pulling too?
make sure, not in the subway, but go get your cigarettes. Okay, well, look, come back. And do you remember where all the little machines were?
Tell her to meet. I'll be out here.
He's coming out to meet you. This is their
Hello.
I'm looking at the wrong place.
All right, your mama?
Yeah, Mama.
Okay. She's got shoplifting, and she's also going to have some drug charges. Yes, ma'am. You're going to be taking possession of your granddaughter?
I am.
Okay. If it would have been just a simple shoplifting, she would have been bonded tonight. She's going to have to see the judge tomorrow. So, I'm going to turn the kid over to you. I don't want to lock her up in front of. It may not seem like much now, but later on it could be traumatizing to the kid. Don't want to have to do that.
Ready.
And she's wanting to smoke a cigarette. You're the boyfriend? Okay.
I got her.
If you want to take your granddaughter to the car
I am.
and you want to hang around long enough for her to take a drag or two, we'll do that. I already told her as long as she's straight with me, I'll be straight with her. And unfortunately, I know how nicotine will help calm a nerve. So.
Yeah, she is bipolar.
Okay.
She's taking her medications.
Okay. She's not too bad right now. More emotionally distraught.
Yeah,
But if you want to come on with me, man. Adeline, you want to go with Grandma for a little bit?
Where's the keys?
Yeah, those stuff she.
Okay.
Where's the keys? There's cooked onto my purse.
Do you want your purse to go with her?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
What about your phone?
I've gone through her purse.
Okay.
There's nothing else in there.
Okay.
Um,
I don't have a butter. Chris got one going.
he's got, yeah.
I told her I liked her boots, they're like mine. She wasn't talking to me that. And I like that
Do you
shirt.
do nails on the side or something?
Her do hair and nails.
Okay.
Actually.
Okay. Here you go, dear. Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate y'all coming. If you want, or I can take it. It's
Is
not
it
that
cold?
it's
Oh,
not
okay.
that bad out there. I got heat going in the. I got heat going in the car. All right. Y'all gonna go ahead and run her to the car?
Hey.
Y'all take her home to the car.
Thanks.
I think they know it, thanks, Tim.
Very good. All right. I'm gonna put them on in front so you can smoke. And you are well aware not to come back to Walmart.
Yes.
Okay. And that any Walmart, Sam's
Yes,
Club,
yes, sir.
any property Walmart.
He said he wouldn't put it on.
Yeah, exactly. So you got Target and what few Kmart's are still open? Because
There's still Kmart open?
there's a couple. There's and Costco, but they're not in the area. Yes, sir. I'm sure they'll be up to check on you. Okay. All right. Well, I'm gonna take you on. I'll let you smoke out here at the car.
Down there, the door.
Yeah, that's fine. We can go this way if you don't mind.
They're a little easier than walking over there.
All right. If y'all have anything else, call us.
Thank you.
All right. You want to go ahead and light up, ma'am? Yeah, we're good to go.
I'm out of here. Yeah, have a good night.
I didn't know how
Hey, lock the
close.
store,
I didn't know how close her mama was going to be otherwise. 'Cause I figured that was going to be more time consuming.
You want me to go check on fire department, make sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just in case.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and get up there that way if they have
Just in case.
anything crazy.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. Oh, okay.
I was waiting on the wrong end.
Please get Timmy to come bond me out quickly. Please. Please.
I will.
If
You still have to wait for the judge in the morning, won't you?
yeah, he usually is there what
so I
around
didn't-
lunch or so.
Yeah.
With
And I think they
yes,
got
ma'am.
first appearances tomorrow already anyway.
So they don't.
Yeah.
I
So
thought when you go to jail, they give you a bond when you
not for the other.
I'm
That's what you gotta wait to see a judge on. What happened? Hey,
My makeup bag is
let me see what
it hurts.
If you've got someone that will claim ownership of it when it goes to court,
They were supposed to be clean. That was why I removed
you can't hold stuff for people, hon.
it. No, I really didn't. Like, I got my makeup bag off the counter. Like,
Oh, okay.
What was it?
we shared it. The makeup.
Needle and some other stuff I'm gonna have to test to make sure I know what it is.
I swear I could clean
I believe you.
I moved.
Exactly.
Yeah, I'm good. Thanks, man.
You
I
can
hate
ask
that-
her,
I
but
hate
I
that-
know she's not going.
I'll ask her. If it was her, she ought to me. I tell everybody, hey,
She doesn't have kids. She's
I know you, but I can't think of your name.
Mr. Chris Hanley.
Okay.
I got one of them faces.
No, I used to work Madison County.
Yeah, I've been to Madison County once, twice. That's it.
I recognized it, but I couldn't call it to save my life.
Don't cry. Everything gonna be taken care of. Don't be
Hey,
scared.
you can cancel on restrooms if they, in service. It was just a hot tub fire the owner had it put out.
Dave,
Why would you know
I
better
wanted,
still
he
shit?
wanted to go
23rd.
bowling and we didn't have no food.
Where's jail you gotta go to? Jackson County?
Banks County.
Banks County. At least this man is awesome and nice and letting you smoke a cigarette.
I know, and I really appreciate that too.
I got a probation violation on for just I didn't report.
Yeah.
Well, police got called to the house, and anyway, I got locked up because I had my probation officer put a warrant out, and I didn't catch a new charge or nothing. I had to sit in there for like a month and a half.
Which jail?
Jackson County.
He went to Franklin County.
Oh, I went to Franklin, but they housed me out of Jackson. What do you
Oh,
do?
okay. All right, hon.
I'm sorry.
If you want to hug him, go ahead, and then we'll go ahead and head on.
Yeah. I will. I'll see if you will.
All right, come on, man.
Love you.
Thank you for coming out, sir.
Yeah, appreciate it, man. Thank you for letting me smoke cigarette.
We're going to go on this side. I got a chainsaw on the other side.
Where's your car?
It's right over there.
Oh, yeah. 41 dispatch. Show me 1095. I'm going to be en route to the LEC. Might want to get Graceland to strip search her.
Campbell's about to come down.
Campbell's here?
Luckily,
Okay.
we called her out before she left.
Good. All right, there. Step on out. I'm going to have to check to see what I've got, and I'll fill out the...
Are you going to walk around that door there, okay?
I'll fill out the charge sheet and bring it back to you. I forget it.
What did she have?
I got to test it so I know what it is. I think it's heroin.
Man.
Yeah. I've got her jacket in the car. I'll grab it real quick.
Okay.
And I can't even think of Here you go. Alright, Squin, do what? I'm gonna have to test this substance to make sure I know what it is, but it looks like it's gonna be possession of Schedule 2 drug-related objects and shoplifting. But once I test it, make sure I know what it is, I'll come back and talk with you, okay? Alright, Moats, I'll be back as soon as I can, sir.